So how do you create a Fortnite account on mobile? So to start off, let's open up the browser. Now here we need to go to fortnite.com. And here we need to go to the top right, click on it, and click on sign in. Now here you will be prompted if you have an account already or if you don't. So we are the latter, so we need to create an account. So you just need to put the age or the date of your birth. So for this one, it's gonna choose randomly. And here you would need to put in the email. So I'm gonna put my email here and click on this. And after doing so, just need to click on continue. Now you would need to verify your email. So let's wait for the code to appear. 09 and hit on verify email. So as you can see, we have already logged in our account. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.